Bring the wow factor with a rainfall card. They're fun, fabulous, and easier to create than you might think. All you need is our new Beaded Rainfall Kit. Let's take a quick look at what's inside. First of all, everything comes in a great tin. I'm so excited about that. There is a QR code on the back and also on the instruction sheet. You can follow that and get a full-length video on how to assemble a card. Inside the tin, you've got 100 yards of clear thread. You've got 6 different colors of glass seed beads. You've got a metal cutting die that cuts your thread guides. There are 3 beading needles. And then you've also got a pack of foam tape. There are 50 strips in there, so you can make lots of cards. If you'd like to make this exact card, there is a PDF also on that link that you can follow to download that, or pull stamps and dies from your stash. I pulled from my stash to make a really cute little thanks a latte card with coffee raining down inside. Who would not absolutely love a cake like this with sprinkles raining down? I think that one is beautiful and elegant and also fun to play with. And then, of course, we'll spill the tea, right? So much fun. Just imagine all the things you have in your stash. Don't forget that clear thread can also be used for spinner cards. So pick up your Beaded Rainfall Kit today and get started.